All right, little SOHCAHTOA right triangle trigonometry review here. Solve for x. So first we'll be identifying what leg x is. And if 26 degrees is the angle we're talking about, then x is the adjacent. And we know the hypotenuse. So if we know the adjacent and the hypotenuse, we've got to be talking about cosine. So the cosine of 26 degrees should equal the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So if I have my calculator in the right mode, I can do 18, multiply the 18 over, times the cosine of 26 degrees, and that'll be x. So that'd be my exact value. I can definitely put a decimal in there as well. What should our function be for b? I've again got the adjacent, and I've got the hypotenuse, so I should be using cosine of 70 equals this time, let's write it right here, equals this time 8 over x. So now we've got kind of a two-step to solve this. We'll multiply the x over, x cosine 70 equals 8, and then we'll divide the cosine 70 over. So x will equal 8 over the cosine of 70. Calculator in the right mode, give me a decimal, looks good. So these are basically the two types of problems we've got going on. Either x is going to be on the top or the bottom. What would be a good function to use here? I have two sides, I want the third side, so I should just be using Pascal's, the Pythagorean. So I should just be using the Pythagorean theorem. And that would be 10 squared plus x squared equals 22 squared. Subtract over, take the square root. Good to go. And in D, I think we should be using, it looks like we want the opposite this time, and we have the hypotenuse. So that's going to be the sine of 41 equals the opposite over the hypotenuse, multiplied by 12. So a little right triangle trig. So we didn't use any TOA, but we did use Pythagorean theorem, knocking off some skills.